Hey fairies, welcome back to my channel. It's Laurasia Andrea. So jumping right into the video, we are going to be doing a hair and makeup get ready with me. I just decided to get ready, you know, take some pictures for Instagram real quick, and I decided to randomly record it. So here we go. First, going to start with using my primer. I use two primers, Fenty Beauty Hydrating Primer as well as Bobbi Brown's Vitamin Enriched Face Base. Once I have my primer down, I'm going to move on to concealer. Love using the Fenty Beauty concealer. Going to be using two shades, the color 360 directly underneath my eyes and also down the bridge of my nose. And I'm also going to use the shade 410 to put right underneath that shade 360. Next, I'm going to take a Juvia's Place foundation stick and I'm going to use a little bit of this in the shade Katsina, and I'm going to cut underneath my contour and just blend that out. Moving on to a little bit of foundation. I've been using the Born This Way foundation lately. I love this so much. It just makes my skin just look so natural and refreshed. I'm using the shade Spice Rum, and I'm just going to clean up the bottom of my contour. Sometimes I kind of bring my contour down a little bit too far, so I'm just going to clean up that contour a little bit, as well as just put it on the lower half of my face, as well as on the side of my nose. Next, I'm just going to go ahead and use a Real Technique setting brush and start to blend out all of that concealer that we put around our face. Next, for contouring, I'm going to just take that shade Katsina from Juvia's Place just to contour our nose and blend that out as well. I'm now going to set my under eye as well as the rest of my face using the Beauty Bakery Flower Setting Powder. I'm going to be using two shades, the color Cassava to put underneath our eyes for anywhere that we put the highlight, down the bridge of our nose as well as our chin. Then I'm going to take the shade Almond to use as an all over face setting powder. Now I'm just going to be bronzing and bringing some warmth back to that skin. And I'm going to take 2 powders from Fenty Beauty. I'm going to take the shade Cocoa Naughty, and I'm going to put that as a slight hint of color on our cheeks, as well as bringing that down the bridge of our nose for a slight bronzing contour to the nose. And then I'm going to take the shade Mocha Mami to put as a little bit more of a warmth on our cheeks. Now I'm just going to be giving a slight bronzing contour. I haven't been using like more of a cool contour, more so like a warm contour. This is from Prime Beauty in the shade Brownsville in their bronzers. I'm next just going to seal in all of the powder that we put all over our face. Going to be using the Snob Life X Ming Lee X Snob Life, whatever you guys want to say, and just spray that all over our face. Use as some hydration to take away that powder, as well as setting our makeup. Now I'm just going to put that highlight on. This is from Bobbi Brown. It's a limited edition from 2018. It's in the shade Bare Glow. I don't know if they have a single yet, but I just know that I love this highlight. I've been using it for years, have not put it down since. Now we're going to move on to eyes. I'm going to be taking another Fenty Beauty concealer. This one is in the shade 310. I'm going to be putting that all over my eyes, just used as an eyeshadow base. I'm going to be using 2 eyeshadow palettes today, 3 colors. I'm going to be taking the Juvia's Place palette. I have to put specifically what name of the palette this is, but I'm going to be taking that yellowish, lime greeny, lime yellow type of shade. I'm going to circle it in the video, and I'm going to put that in our crease. I wanted this to be like a blown out green eyeshadow look because I knew I was going to be wearing a green romper, so I just want to match that. Next, I'm going to take this Super True green shade. I'm going to put that in our crease and blend that out with a blending brush. Now I'm going to be taking the Anastasia Norvina limited edition palette. This is in the volume 2. And I'm going to take like this, I don't know if this is like a turquoise slash greeny, bluey type of shade, but I will put down in the description what name it is from the palette. But I literally just took this and put it all over my entire lid. That is pretty much done with the colors. I only took 3 colors from 2 palettes, and all I'm doing is going to be going back and forth and blending out all these shades so that they mesh very well together. And then I'm going to take a inner corner highlight. I'm going to put down in the description exactly what name it is, but it is from the Anastasia Norvina palette. And I just put that in my inner corner just to give a little bit of a added glow. I'm going to take the NYX matte liquid liner in the shade black, and I'm just going to do a wing and then pop some lashes on. These lashes are actually from me. They are in my style Gwen from my Fairy Stylish line, the Allure by Laurasia Andrea. They are not being sold right now. I just had added lashes in my collection, so I just popped these right on. Next, I'm just taking a Fenty liner. I'm going to put down exactly what liner it is, but I know it's from her liners. It's just her black. I put that in my waterline. Then I just went in with those same green shades that I put on my top lid and just put those on my bottom lid. So the face is all done, slayed. So now we're going to be moving on to hair. I'm going to be using the original Almighty Bond Kiss Lace Glue. You guys have seen me use the dual applicator glue, same formula, just a different applicator. In my last 360 lace install video, I literally just am showing you guys that the original is out in stores right now. You can get it from your nearest beauty supply store. I know Amazon sells it and a few other links online that sells it. I will link those down below. Don't know if they're all sold out by now, but I will still link them just in case. And I'm just showing you guys so you can still use the original just like you can use the dual tip. But I love this formula. It is bomb.com. I'm just doing my usual install. You guys have seen me do my install about 50 times already, so just go ahead and watch me slay this install. So now I'm moving on to doing my lip combo. I actually got this from my PR kit. MAC Cosmetics did send me this. This is the Tiana Taylor X MAC Cosmetics collection. Tiana Taylor basically came out with her own collab with MAC. She remixed some of the original iconic lip liners and just repackaged them, as well as she came out with her own lipstick shades, her own lip gloss shades, as well as her own skin finish shade. I ended up using the entire green collection, and I also did use her skin finish highlight today as well to showcase in this video. But I did use her lip liner in the shade Chestnut. I used her lipstick in the shade I Got a Man, and then I also used her lip gloss in the shade But Ain't Got No Manners. This lip gloss is absolutely stunning. It is so pretty, so gorgeous. I'm going to be adding this into my everyday lip gloss collection routine bag of goodies that I use on a daily basis, because it's so bomb, so good for women of color, and I just was literally obsessed with it. As well as I did take that chestnut lip liner. I did use it as some freckles today. I just felt like it was an added touch to the entire look. It came out so pretty, and it came out really bomb in pictures. And then I just took my NYX brow pencil that I did use today. It's in the shade Espresso, and I did use this as a added touch to my freckles. Like I said, I did use her highlight today. This is in the shade House of Petunia, and I put this on the apples of my cheeks, as well as my nose and my chin, as well as my brow as a brow highlight today. And then just to seal in everything one more time, I just took that Snob Life F-Boy Repellent Setting Spray and just sprayed that all over my face. Then I'm just going to take some Got To Be Insta Hold spray just to get any of my baby hairs, kind of just touch up my little swoop. There it is with my hair. And that is pretty much it for the hair portion of the video. So that pretty much wraps up the video, you guys. I'm just showing you guys these rings that I got the other day from the mall. It was a super cute brand new accessory store that I had saw in the mall the other day, and I picked up like about 5 or 10 rings just because I knew I was getting my nails redone this week, and I just wanted to just start wearing some rings. My wrist bracelets I did get from Anthropology. My watch is from Michael Kors, and I just feel like I'm gonna just start showing you guys my accessories in my videos. I do have a diamond D necklace for my boyfriend. I do have an L, but I was too lazy to put it on for this video. I didn't show the outfit in this video because the footage for it just did not look right, but I will put an Instagram picture of what my outfit did look like. And yeah, thank you guys so much for watching. Can't wait to see you guys in my next one. Thank you guys so much for all the love on my look on Instagram for this particular look. So thank you guys for watching again. Can't wait to see you guys in my next one. And yeah, bye guys.